Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In this quick short video, I'll show you how the auto idling works on the 2018 plus GoldWing. So let's start from the beginning. You click on the home button here and then go into the vehicle settings. Make sure your idling stop is ticked mark. You can see there that I have a ticked mark. Make sure it's ticked mark. Okay, and then you go back. Right now I am in the first gear. It's on DCT and you can see the auto idling is blinking. Okay, so one of the other ways to turn it off is, when you turn it on, you see the starter button, you press it again and that's it, the bike turns on. That auto idling that was blinking there stopped blinking, and here there is a sign that says auto idling is off currently. Okay, so I'll turn it back on and now we'll go for a ride to see how it is. So hopefully at the next traffic light it's a stop and you will, I'll be able to show you how good this feature is. Now I know that not everyone likes this feature. Some of the people think that it's a very annoying feature, but I personally think it's pretty good and it's very responsive. The way Honda has figured it out, even with a slight twist of throttle, let's say the traffic light is about to turn green, even with the slight twist of throttle, the bike turns on again and the engine is running. So I've never felt that I am at a traffic light and it took me 2 seconds more than it would if I didn't have the thing on. So okay, the light has turned green. We'll go to the next one and test it out. Even if not, then I'll just stop on the side and show you. Okay, let's do this thing. So what I'll do is I'll stop on the side quickly just to show you how the auto idling works. So I've stopped on the side, the gears are shifting down. As I come to a complete stop, okay, and the bike turns off. The auto idling is blinking over there, you can see, and the engine has gone quiet. The bike has turned off. It's very easy. Look, my hands are off right now. Even if it's in the first gear, the auto idling feature is on. Excellent feature. I love it. I know many of you don't like it, for their own reasons, but it's very good. Now to turn it on, the bike won't even move. All I have to do is slightly twist the throttle and the engine starts running again, the bike's turned on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos, and hit that notification icon so you get notified every time there's a new video. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.